50th birthday. I want to welcome everybody to the channel. It's a brand new channel called Now Boomer Talks. I'm also starting a business called Custom Woodpeckers. Something that I've always wanted, something I've always dreamed of. And I've had some tough times in my life, 3 times in my life, where things went wrong. Not anything I did, but one business burned down, company closed. 2008, the economy crashed. The business closed. I lost my job, and now the pandemic, and I lost my job. So I'm now at a time where, hey, I got the experience. I've worked with metal all my life, and switch it to wood. It's a little bit different, a little bit of a learning process, but I'm doing fine, I think. But really, it's always been my dream to have my own business, and now, being 50 years old, I also have a message that I want to share. So how all this came about was I just came up with a small idea for a little wood shop, and ideas started to come. And so what I did was I went out and I spent about $3,000 on a credit card, money I didn't have, and I bought a bunch of machines, a bunch of tools, and slowly started building things, doing some R&D, taking my knowledge from metal and bringing it over to wood. And then I found, okay, I need some more money, so I decided to contact the government and try and apply for a government grant. It was the best thing I ever did. I was not prepared whatsoever until I connected with them and got all the tools that they give you, all the things they send you, all the people you talk to, all the seminars that you watch, all excellent tools, and they all help me grow as a business owner. I have nothing but great words to say about them. They're off in Chatham, Canada. If you guys ever need a government grant, please go see them. They were great people to deal with. One of the things they had me do was put together a business plan, but not just any business plan. This had to be a very good business plan. I worked my tail off on it, and it turned out that they accepted my business plan, and I was awarded the grant. You receive $3,700 or so in the beginning, and then you have to prove yourself over three or 4 months and show some growth. You come up with key things that you have to grow within your company, and then you show 3, 4, 5 months later that you're doing that, and then you get the rest of the money. So I've been there, I got all that. All that is done. Now it's time to launch the business finally. The pandemic has been a huge issue, but now it's time to launch. I'm counting it as my birthday present, and I want to see where it goes. I want to see how it grows. A little bit of advertising, a little bit of fun, spend some time with my family. I'm going to do this with my son. My wife's going to help out also. And really, throwing out some YouTube videos, having your own business backyard, I'm as happy as can be. And that's part of why I have this YouTube channel. I want to share something with you guys. I want to take you through my journey, through my life, decisions that I made, things that I did to better my life. But now as an end result, I know what being happy is all about. I know what true happiness comes from. It's not about being rich, it's not about having money. I don't have any. The business I have right now, starting right at the very bottom. It's no Lamborghini. It's just a simple run-of-the-mill business. I got my Mastercraft set up everywhere, my Mastercraft tools, and I'm ready to do the job. I'm having a lot of fun, but it's time to step up. It's time to take the leap and do something for myself, do something for my family. Thanks everybody for watching. I said, please like, share, and subscribe. Algorithms, thank you. My birthday, 50 years, folks, 50 years. Well, I want to wish everybody a happy birthday. Stupid. Now, before I explain any of that stuff, I just got lost, so I'm going to cut here, and just check out what we got.